lawns, oh. Makakat ng grass. Oh. Ay. This is marvelous. Oh. Wow. Oh. Oh. My goodness. I need to balik-balik this. Para makakat na ng grass. Oh. Ito pa. Ayan. Ayan na naman si Rabbit, oh. Hindi na umaalis sa yard namin, oh. I made some chicken sotong and I had frozen peas. Ayan, nilagay ko na. Mukhang okay naman. There's that rabbit with a white spot.
Thought you said they don't come in the yard.
They
Get them out the yard, kids. Stephanie, get them rabbits.
So we Latins. Okay. We go see the animals before we go. We got apple fruit. And it's warm. And it's good. And it's from here. And chickens. Oh wow, look at those big ones.
They're bigger than the ones we have in our yard.
Is it? There's more here.
That looks like a dog. No,
That looks like a dog, though.
It looks like a cat. Look at how long this.
Oh wow. Oh my gosh. It's huge.
I see those in like shows sometimes.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god, that's scary. When
I know it's so colorful.
what is that doing up there?
And they have
That's
gardens
my new
here.
sister. Mom, that's my new sister.
Is it?
I
What are these?
I don't have a real person. I got a goat. That's not my sister. That's my sister. Hi, sister. Hi, sheep. That's a horse. That's a sheep and that's a goat. Oh my gosh, they look so scary. Hi, my friend.
Yeah, there's only one rooster here. Or two.
Hi, my friend.
Ah, they all come. Running.
They're expecting us to feed them.
Yeah.
Why are the other ones not coming? Whoa. I wish I could touch it. That's a fat one. Those are other fat.
This one is bigger. Wow.
Turn around.
Why?
It's way
Oh,
better
yeah.
looking.
Oh my gosh. Why do they do that? They get scared?
To protect themselves and use their blinding colors.
Oh,
It's turning around.
yeah.
It looks like a tree. Are you tree? Are you I can't believe that's the feathers though.
It's too long, huh? Getting mad maybe with the other bird over there.
Wow. Over here you can see it better.
Wow.
See? Oh, look at stop turning around.
Look at this one too. Shh. Shh. Let's scare her so she will spread her feathers too.
No, I don't think she's scared. She probably sees people.
Oh, that one is getting mad with the other bird over there. You see how she's shaking with that? How come that one don't have a long?
It's because they're babies.
No.
Oh, these are the women. That's probably the male.
Oh, is it only the female got those?
Oh my gosh, it's turning around. It looks like a statue. Take a picture. That one's getting colors too on the left.
Is it?
So they're probably just growing it still. Ooh. It's not a dog, Eloise.
Oh, see how she's doing it.
Which one did we scare? One had more scaring me. This whole thing will go.
He's still mad with this other bird. She
Wait,
is.
is that them eye suits?
No, those are just the pattern of. her
Oh,
eye.
they're trying to scare them because it looks like eyes. Mom, do they do that to look like eyes?
Yeah.
So they scare them? Doesn't want to sleep there.
And they got more. Let's see if they got more animals.
That peacock was mad.
I can see they got more problems too.
Mom, can I see the picture?
See. Yeah, we'll see in a little bit. And butterfly.
Bats in a flat. Oh, keep out.
So nothing here. Nothing here.
I saw people.
Oh, over there maybe chickens.
Yak, 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 yak. Wipe your mouth. You have food stuck on it. They think it's food.
They eat grass too. Ah yeah, no.
Wait, can we look at the chicken? There's the goats, Mom.
We'll go see goats.
That's really ew, they took a shower in that water. Disgusting.
That's their pool. Their swimming pool.
Mom, goats.
Goats are trying to wiggle their tail. See? They want to see Eloise.
That's scary.
Oh, they got baby. Is that the baby? They put the baby in?
Look yourself.
Why? Probably is sick.
Oh, it's nice. There's the other baby.
Oh,
And
we got babies over there too.
Wait,
Feeding.
see my goat body? Here's the baby. Don't touch it because the mom will let a man attack. Look, they're drinking milk from the mom.
They're trying to come out.
Should we get...
Over there. Duck egg.
I see one.
Did you see it? So these are the
That's
ladies.
looking at me. I want to go in that.
Where are you going?
They
You
always-
can't go. She wanna
There's a
go.
lamb, Mom. There's lamb.
They got lamb, yeah.
You can never tell if they're mad or happy because they always look like they're smiling.
Who?
If you look them on the sides.
Ducks. And
Do
they
they
got
eat
eggs over
ducks?
there.
Mom.
No.
That one, the gray one. And the white one over there.
It's biting?
No, that one that just shaked right there. And that one over there was like grabbing it by the neck. And he's still staring at him.
Why would they do that? Why would they grab them by the neck?
See, they're going over there now.
I'm gonna touch it.
No.
That's a male
Never mind.
male goat.
What's
He
a
looks
male? I
mad.
forgot. What's a
Go
male?
to that.
Like a daddy goat.
Oh, wow.
They're leaving.
Mom.
Otherwise they'll give.
Oh my gosh. Sad girl.
Right here, the other one is waiting too, Elise.
Hey, big dude, that woman.
Okay, let's go.
Can I give it?
Oh my gosh.
Get a bigger one, Auntie.
That was mean.
She don't like it, she said.
Wow.
No, she poked him and made him get.
Oh, is it? Okay, let's go. Get it a low, lower, Stephanie. That's too high.
This is too low.
No, I'm saying this way because they can't reach it.
What are those? I'll take one home.
Why does that one has red on him,
I
like
don't know.
blood?
Let's go, let's go.
You think he was bleeding?
I know, what kind of chickens are
These are
this?
this is the one from that one Filipino YouTuber.
Is it?
Mhm.
That they get fat and just fall down?
No, like the one. Can I pause it?
Do you want to see?
That's me.
That's so tiny stuff.
It's a baby dog.
Yeah, just drop it. Okay, let's go. Small chickens. Oh, look, they got a helmet.
I wonder if chickens can fly.
Yeah, chickens can fly.